Ever dream of creating one of the world's greatest chicken dishes right in your home kitchen? Well, let's make that a dream reality by making this easy Filipino chicken adobo recipe made in the pressure cooker. If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Hey friends, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Filipino classic chicken adobo, but made in the pressure cooker. But we're not stopping there. We're also whipping up a refreshing cucumber mango salad to pair with it. Now here's the best part. We're using the pressure cooker to make the chicken fall off the bone tender. You may be asking, why a pressure cooker? Well, it locks in the flavor, cuts the cooking time in half, and make sure the chicken ends up tender and juicy. And our salad will be a nice and healthy fresh burst of tropical flavors that will help balance out the richness and savoriness of the chicken adobo. So if you're ready to elevate this iconic Filipino dish, get your aprons on and let's get cooking. Alright friends, first priority for this recipe, we're going to give our chicken a beautiful golden tan by browning them. Grab 4 whole chicken legs and break them apart so we can have 4 thighs and 4 drumsticks. All you have to do is slice between the joints. Browning the chicken will unlock lots of flavor, plus it helps to render down that chicken fat, which is going to give our dish an extra depth of deliciousness that you just can't beat. Now, remember, don't throw a crowded party in your pot. We're browning in batches, my friends. We want each piece to have its moment in the spotlight to get that perfect golden sear. So take your time, it's worth it, trust me. Once all your pieces are browned, set the chicken aside. In the same pot, add 24 garlic cloves crushed. You heard that right. This will make all the difference. Throw in 3 bay leaves, 3 teaspoons or 6 grams of whole black peppercorns. I use these Zanzibar black peppercorns from Burlap and Barrel because they are the best. Saute them until you can smell the aroma filling your kitchen. And what we're doing here is blooming the aromatics in the chicken fat to bring out more of the flavors. Now here's a secret, deglazing. Turn off saute mode and add in the vinegar and scrape the bottom of the pot so we can get all the tasty brown bits from the bottom, which will add even more flavor down. Now add in the chicken pieces back in the pot with the coconut aminos and a sprinkle of some kosher salt, and it's time to let the pressure cooker work its magic. Set it on high pressure for 15 minutes and we'll let the pressure cooker release naturally after it's done. While our chicken's getting all tender and flavorful, let's whip our cucumber mango salad together. Dice 2 yellow mangoes by cutting off the cheeks, slice them lengthwise and crosswise, and scoop them out. Dice a large cucumber by slicing it in half, slice them into 3 to 4 strips, then dice them into 1/4 inch pieces. Dice up a 1/4 of red onion, finally chop up some cilantro, squeeze some fresh lime juice or calamansi juice, and add a bit of salt, and squeeze in some olive oil. If you want a little heat, you can throw in some red pepper flakes. Mix it well together until everything is nicely coated. Now, that's what I call a refreshing salad. It's the perfect companion for our savory adobo. Now back to our main event. Let's pop open the pressure cooker and check out this beautiful adobo. This looks super tasty, and you can already tell it's fall off the bone tender. If you want your sauce thicker, gently pull out the chicken pieces and put the pressure cooker back on saute mode. Remember to add any more salt to your sauce to your preference. Now it's plating time. Chicken adobo always has to be paired with rice. So I've got some brown jasmine rice here to keep things healthy. Grab a chicken leg and a thigh for some variety. Pour some sauce all over the chicken and rice. And then a few scoops of the cucumber mango salad to balance out the meal. And garnish with some sliced scallions if you have it. Now look at this marvelous plate of chicken goodness. This is the most iconic Filipino comfort food made easy, delicious, and healthy. Okay. So it's the moment of truth, the moment we've been waiting for to taste test this chicken adobo. So first things first, we can see that this chicken is fall off the bone tender, and all thanks to the pressure cooker. So yeah, we got our chicken adobo here. We got some jasmine brown rice because we're on that healthy game, and to pair it well, we've got this cucumber mango salad. That'll be a nice fresh tropical flavor to complement the dish. So how I like to eat this, of course, some of the chicken adobo. I personally really like skin. And we've got all this sauce on the rice and the chicken. And bon appetit. Ooh, super delicious. The chicken is really tender and juicy. And we've got some flavor profiles of sweetness and umami, some saltiness. Everything is really balanced. Grabbing a bite of the salad to refresh my palate. And it's perfect. It helps balance out all the richness and umami-ness and savoriness of the chicken. When I was a kid, I didn't like eating the peppercorns. I thought they were too spicy. But now as an adult, I kind of crave them. They're so soft when they kind of pop in your mouth. And I just want to eat this. It's so good. Trust me, when you taste this, you'll never look at chicken adobo the same again. So along with the peppercorns, I can really taste all of the garlic that we added. That's right, we added 24 garlic cloves, and it's worth it, trust me. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch one of my other videos here where I make another Filipino classic comfort food, tortang talong, along with making a homemade banana ketchup. Otherwise, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.